In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed or add a music player in GoDaddy. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account, head to your profile area. This is where you can access the main account options and manage the products connected to your website. From the profile menu, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have in your GoDaddy account, including websites, domains, and other services. Look for the website you want to edit. Then select that website so you can open its management options. Next, click Edit Website. This will take you into the website editor, where you can make changes to your site visually without needing to rebuild anything from scratch. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the editing tools appear properly. Once you're in the editor, click Add Section. This option lets you insert new content blocks into your page. After opening the section library, look for the audio category and click on it. This is the area designed for adding sound-related content, including a music player or embedded audio feature. You'll then see different layout options available for the audio section. Choose the layout that fits your website style best and click it to add it to the page. The layout you choose affects how the player appears visually, so it's a good idea to pick one that matches the design of your site and keeps the page looking clean. After the audio section is added, go to the right-hand side of the editor. This is where the settings for that section will appear. In that panel, paste your embedded code into the appropriate field. Make sure the code is copied correctly before pasting it in, because even a small missing character can prevent the music player from displaying or working properly. Once you've pasted the embedded code, take a quick moment to review how it looks in the preview area. This helps you confirm that the player is showing up in the right place and that the section fits nicely within the page. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes the music player live on your website so visitors can see and use it. That's it. You've successfully added a music player to your GoDaddy website using an embedded code.